Welcome back at Life Improvements, everyone. Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of olive leaves. You won't believe how this ancient remedy can transform your health. For centuries, olive leaves have been revered for their medicinal properties, dating back to ancient Egypt. But it's not just ancient history. Modern science is backing up what these cultures have known all along. Olive leaves are a powerhouse of nutrients and antioxidants. We're going to break down 7 surprising benefits of incorporating olive leaves into your diet. Stay tuned because this is information you won't want to miss. Let's talk about your immune system, that incredible defense force keeping you healthy. Olive leaves can help support your immunity. They're packed with antioxidants that fight harmful free radicals. Free radicals can damage cells and weaken your immune system. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, boosting your immunity. This helps you fight off colds, flus, and infections. Incorporate olive leaves into your daily routine. Stay tuned for more tips in the video. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a silent threat affecting millions. It's a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. But here's the good news: olive leaves can help. Studies have shown that olive leaf extract can naturally lower blood pressure. It contains a compound called oleuropein, a potent antioxidant with blood pressure lowering properties. Oleuropein works by relaxing blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily. This reduction in tension can significantly improve your heart health. So if you're looking for a natural way to support healthy blood pressure, olive leaves are a great option. But before you make any changes to your diet or health regimen, it's always best to consult with your doctor. Inflammation. It's a common buzzword these days, but what exactly is it? In short, inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or infection. However, chronic inflammation can lead to a whole host of health problems. Olive leaves contain powerful anti-inflammatory compounds, including oleocanthal, which has been shown to have similar effects to ibuprofen. These compounds work by blocking the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body. This means olive leaf extract could help reduce pain and swelling associated with conditions like arthritis, joint pain, and even headaches. It's a natural way to fight inflammation and promote overall well-being. Remember though, while natural remedies can be incredibly effective, it's always essential to talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements, especially if you're managing a health condition. Who doesn't want help in the weight loss department? We're bombarded with fad diets and quick fixes, but olive leaves could be a natural solution. Olive leaf extract may aid in weight loss. It boosts metabolism and regulates blood sugar, helping burn more calories and preventing cravings. Incorporate it into a healthy diet and exercise plan. Sustainable weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. Consult a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. We all want healthy, glowing skin, right? Well, it turns out those olive leaves aren't just good for your insides. They can do wonders for your skin too. Olive leaves are packed with antioxidants that can protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are like little aggressors that can break down collagen, leading to wrinkles and premature aging. The antioxidants in olive leaves help neutralize these free radicals, keeping your skin looking youthful and radiant. Olive leaf extract has antimicrobial properties that can help fight acne-causing bacteria. So whether you're dealing with breakouts or simply want to maintain a healthy, youthful complexion, olive leaves could be your new skincare secret weapon. And there you have it, folks, the incredible benefits of olive leaves. From boosting your immune system to promoting radiant skin, this ancient remedy is a true gift from nature. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, or hit the bell icon so you don't miss any health tips and tricks. See you next time.